Based on a story written on Star Metro published on July 19th, a reader by the name of Jit Kaur realized that one of the characters featured was her long-lost sister-in-law of many years.
We had spent a week trying to get a first-person perspective about homeless people when we befriended Jit. The 63-year-old was first met middle of last month, looking frail and hopeless. Anita contacted the Star after reading the story.
It does look like her.
She recognized me. Her name is Sheila. They used to call her Sheila. Jit Kaur is her official name. Pet name Sheila.
Although filled with excitement, Anita was also worried that Jit will not remember her after 25 years of separation.
Remember me? I'm fine. I cannot ask you how you are because I heard about you. I found the paper, I read the one. So I know my heart now that it's you.
It was a peaceful reunion. Both were happy to meet after so long.
So I came here to take you home. You can stay with me as long as you like. Instead of going here, going there, everywhere. After all, you're my brother's wife, isn't it? You're my family. Actually, I didn't know where you were all these days. You also never went to Megalabo to find out where I was. So maybe that isn't all you know lah. So now listen.
Yeah, malu ringgit.
That's good. Sangha, now the thing is this, okay? After reading that my sister-in-law is sleeping on the street and I'm staying in a very nice house, I came to take you home. Stay there with me, I'll take care of you everything, okay?
After taking quite some time to reassure her, Jit agreed to stay the night in a hotel with Anita.